Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, I'm gonna share with you if how Town looks like here in Karachi City. Yes, this is Town in Karachi, in the province of Sindh, here in Pakistan. 7 p.m. but as you can see, still it's not so dark, although it's winter here in Karachi or in Pakistan. This is the good thing here in Town. There is no much traffic. It might be because there is no much people yet, but sooner or later, as the people who bought their houses, lands, and plots here move in their houses, then for sure it will be crowded as well. So this area where you can see a lot of lights and fancy towers, that is their amusement park where you can enjoy the rides. You can also notice decorations or light decorations since it's holiday season. This area is the bazaar or market of inside of Town, where you can find clothes, jewelries, electronics, and other things. It looks nice, but we did not go inside because it's late. It's already 10 p.m. and we have to be in a hurry. And here it is, my favorite supermarket, the MTS supermarket. And it looks big. Haha, I think it's really big compared to the MTS market in the main cities. Thing that I love the most in this place is the parking area. It's very rare here in Karachi City to find a nice, clean, and organized parking area. But here in Town Imtiaz or in this market or bazaar, the parking area is really great. I like it. Very you can see the discipline, but inside of the city, oh, I hate there is no most of the people has no discipline. They just park the way they want to be. And I think there's no much restriction or strict implementation of the law when it comes to parking. Anyways, yes, I'm happy and proud to tell you that this is one thing that you will love here inside of Town. Well, we're not so sure because as I said, people are still not yet moving in those people who bought their houses, flats, and lands here in Town. So as maybe when those people are already living in this place, it might get crowded and also traffic will be heavy as well. In this area, you can see this beautiful purple shade of those fancy lights on the streets. It's really beautiful. There's a lot of shapes as well. sad to say, in this area actually before there's so much lights and it's beautiful, but now they turn it off. There is no lights and it's so dark. There might be something that they want to protect. That's why they remove the lights. Anyways, yeah, we are done and we are going home. And stay tuned until the end. Thank you.
No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen. I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. No, 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 it's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
We've got stuck in this toll free. I don't know. We don't have any idea if what was the reason. There is no much or there is no long line, but it's very slow. Anyway, Pakistan Sindabad. And yes, here we are, almost done. We are entering now in Karachi Highway going to the main city of Karachi. This is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. See you on my next video.